The Royal Enfield Bear 650 is a machine that embodies the spirit of open roads and timeless design, crafted for riders who seek both adventure and elegance. Built on the solid foundation of Royal Enfield's legacy, the Bear 650 introduces a fresh take on the cruiser segment, blending classic aesthetics with the raw appeal of a modern middleweight powerhouse. Powering the Bear 650 is a refined 648cc parallel twin engine, delivering smooth acceleration and a deep, resonant exhaust note that adds to the immersive riding experience. The engine's generous torque curve ensures effortless cruising, whether navigating city streets or stretching its legs on the highway. Its balanced performance allows for a relaxed, comfortable ride at lower revs while offering enough punch when the throttle is twisted. The design philosophy behind the Bear 650 draws heavily from the golden age of cruisers, with a long, low-slung silhouette that speaks to the romance of motorcycling. A sculpted fuel tank, minimalist fenders, and a retro-styled round headlamp create an iconic profile that stands out. The dual exhaust pipes and polished metal finishes add just the right amount of flair, reflecting Royal Enfield's attention to craftsmanship and detail. Comfort takes center stage with a wide, cushioned seat that ensures long hours on the road remain fatigue-free. The riding position is relaxed, thanks to mid-mounted foot controls and slightly pulled-back handlebars, creating an ergonomic stance ideal for long-distance journeys. The Bear 650 invites riders to settle in and enjoy the simplicity of cruising, making every ride feel like an escape. Handling is intuitive and stable, with a well-engineered chassis that provides confidence across varied terrains. The suspension, tuned for comfort, glides over uneven surfaces while retaining precise feedback to the rider. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, supported by dual-channel ABS, the Bear 650 delivers reassuring stopping power under all conditions. Wide tires not only enhance the bike's bold presence but also contribute to its sure-footed grip on the road. Technology subtly integrates into the Bear 650's timeless exterior, with modern touches such as a semi-digital instrument panel, LED lighting, and USB charging ports. These features ensure that practicality aligns with the motorcycle's classic appeal, offering convenience without compromising on style. Customization is a cornerstone of the Bear 650's identity. A broad catalog of accessories allows riders to personalize their machines, from saddlebags and touring screens to bespoke seats and handlebars. This versatility means each Bear 650 can be as unique as the rider, making it not just a mode of transport but an extension of personal expression. Riding the Royal Enfield Bear 650 is more than just traveling from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the stories formed along the way, and the connection to the road beneath. With a blend of tradition and innovation, the Bear 650 represents the best of both worlds, capturing the essence of motorcycling while delivering a modern, reliable experience that stands the test of time.